Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off this device location. Firstly, you need to open Tap menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that location is on, but you can always switch it off by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you wish to, you can also go into settings, scroll all the way down and tap on location section. Then click on this switcher next to access my location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!